Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most sought-after diaper bags on the market, the Jujube Be Packed from their Legacy collection. This bag is renowned for its stylish design, functionality, and the perfect blend of form and practicality. Let's explore why it's considered the best Jujube Be Packed available. First off, let's talk about the design. The Jujube Be Packed boasts a structured tote style with elegant black and white polka dots. A design that not only stands out but is also versatile for any occasion. It's made from microfiber with a nylon satin lining, ensuring durability and ease of cleaning. Moving on to functionality, this bag is packed with features. It includes a detachable and adjustable messenger strap with a memory foam shoulder pad, making it comfortable to carry. There's also a memory foam changing pad for on-the-go diaper changes, which adds a layer of convenience for parents. One of the standout features is its organization. The Jujube Be Packed has a front mommy pocket with a stretch clip key fob and a dedicated sunglasses pocket that doubles as a lens cleaner. Inside, you'll find 3 gusseted pockets, a zippered pocket, and plenty of open space, all with light-colored linings that help you easily locate items. For parents who need ample storage, this bag delivers. It includes 2 insulated bottle pockets with Thinsulate by 3M, ensuring your baby's bottles stay warm or cold as needed. There's also a convenient back pocket designed for diapers and wipes, complete with crumb drains for easy cleanup. Durability-wise, the Jujube Be Packed doesn't disappoint. It features metal hardware and is machine washable, making it practical for daily use. Just air dry it after washing, and it's good to go for the next adventure. In conclusion, the Jujube Be Packed structured diaper bag by Purse from the Legacy collection is a standout choice for parents looking for style, functionality, and durability in one package. Whether you're a new parent or seasoned pro, this bag ticks all the boxes. If you're interested in checking it out further, I've included the link in the description below. Thank you for tuning in to today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews like this. Until next time, happy parenting.